This video covers steps for installing the Graco Nautilus SnugLock 3-in-1 harness booster with latch and SnugLock. We'll go over step-by-step instructions to help ensure your car seat is installed securely. Before getting started, have your car seat manual and your vehicle's manual on hand. And make sure your vehicle is on level ground.
Graco supports the American Academy of Pediatrics and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's car seat guidelines. Please review this information before proceeding.
You can use a latch installation if your child weighs 45 pounds or less. If your child weighs more than 45 pounds, install your car seat using the vehicle seat belt and refer to the vehicle belt installation video. Then, unhook the top tether strap from storage and set aside. Remove the latch from the storage compartment located in the back of the car seat and create slack in the latch strap by pressing the button on the buckle. Then, push the car seat against the vehicle seat back. Make sure at least 80% of the car seat base is on your vehicle's seat. Next, we will need to get the latch and SnugLock ready. Loosen the harness, undo the chest clip and buckle, and put the harness straps out of the way. Open the panel in the soft goods seatback area. And then open the SnugLock arm by pushing the button and pulling the tab. Thread the latch straps through the red belt path. Attach the latch connectors to the vehicle's lower anchors. The latch strap should lie flat and not be twisted. Then, pull on the latch connectors to make sure they are secure. Press down firmly in the center of the car seat while tightening the latch strap to remove all the slack. And finally, lock the SnugLock arm for a secure install. Then, replace the soft goods and body support. Next, attach the tether by pressing the button to extend the strap. Then, attach the tether to your vehicle's tether anchor. Tighten the tether strap and remove all the slack. Finally, go through this checklist to make sure the installation is correct. Test for tightness. Grab the sides of the seat where the latch strap is routed and firmly slide the seat side to side and front to back. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, pull on the latch strap to remove slack. Repeat until the seat moves less than 1 inch side to side or front to back. Check the harness. The top of the harness straps should be at or above the child's shoulders. Raise or lower as needed to ensure the harness is in the right position. Do the pinch test. Tighten the harness strap snugly by pulling on the front adjuster strap. If you can pinch the harness strap at the child's shoulders, the straps are too loose. Check the chest clip. Once buckled in, ensure the chest clip is at armpit level on your child. Raise or lower as needed. If you have all check marks, then you have a successful installation.